Okay. So, hi, how's it going? Today we're gonna go around and draw Ludwig von Koopa. It's one of Koopalings. It's one of the Koopa's kids. So we're gonna be doing this, and I'm gonna be using this marker. It's gonna be Faber Castell PITT artist pen, but you can use a Sharpie if you want. I just use this because it doesn't have that really nasty toxic smell that Sharpies have. So let's get going with Ludwig. So we started with his mouth shape, and we're gonna start with like kind of a round C, almost in a way. Bottom of the mouth is another gradual kind of curve. Top of his mouth, another small curve. And then we're going to complete it with that same round shape on the other side. And then we're going to do one U shape, another U shape for the mouth. And his teeth, he's gonna have two front buck teeth, which look pretty much like one spike. And draw two little angled dots there, and that's gonna be for his nostrils. Eyeball. Other eyeball. It's just gonna be round. Line for his angry eyes. It's gonna be furrowing them a little bit. It's gonna be the pupil and iris right there together. And I'm gonna pull up into a round shape for his head. But on the other side, I'm gonna throw a little bit of hair that's gonna kind of dip down. And then the skull shape's gonna continue along the other side. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the typical pose that he has. He has a typical pose where he crosses his arms. I think he does it to show off the shell in the back. So we're gonna do far side of the arm. Pull around. He's gonna have a kind of a wristband with spikes on it. Spike there. Close off that wristband. Then we're gonna draw his arm. I guess it's crossed, so it's gonna be underneath. Right here. His hand. It's gonna be like a little claw hand. I'm gonna throw lines right there to show that his claws are, obviously not part of the same form as his hand. Then I'm gonna put it in the back of the shell. It's gonna be that rim. Spike. The spike has a little kind of thing around it as he hits at the base of the spike. It's gonna go down and continue to the shell. Tail. And his leg is going to be out. He's standing. His leg is just a big tube with small spikes coming out of it. For feet, they're coming out outside, outward. Is underneath his torso here. Pulling down into the other foot. It's gonna be the same thing. He's got this large kind of dumpy turtle foot with three little spikes at the end. It's gonna come close to the body here, and it's gonna go up. Now, for the front side of him, he's gonna have that soft underbelly, well, in a way. And I'm gonna draw a line down there because that's gonna be starting off, but obviously the rest is hidden by his crossed arms. So let's do his hair. His hair is the biggest thing in his silhouette. So when you're drawing a character, usually you're drawing a silhouette that's recognizable, even like in silhouette form. So this next one is pretty much, he's got this like big Chucky like hair. I don't know how to say what it is. Comes out in this large kind of V shape. Like overall, it's a V form. Got 3 little prongs at the end there. Out. It's gonna have kind of a butt shape or a heart shape at the top there. It's gonna have a few prongs here at the end as well. And I'm gonna do what I always do, which is I thicken out the contour. I just give like the contour is the outermost line. I like to thicken that out a little bit because it gives it like a cool stylistic form. It kind of makes it look like a sticker. But it's really easy in this marker as well. That's another reason I do it. If you want to buy this marker, it is available, I believe, at any Michaels. If you don't have a Michaels near you, I'll put the Amazon link in the description so you can get it. Anyways, that's it. If you really did like that cute little tutorial, there is a free ebook on how to draw cute characters that I'm going to be putting in the description. It is how to draw cute. I take kind of an object or whatever, like a character, and I give you the proportions on how to draw that character cute. It's only 8 pages. It's easy. It's fast. It's very credible. It's simple, and you can use that ebook to create cute drawings out of your head. And that's pretty much it. That's totally free. Check that out if you're interested in the description. I don't know how much longer I'm going to have it there, to be honest. I might change it around. But thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.